think, yeah, Her Noise is it's a very unconventional art show, in that you walk into it, and it doesn't look like an art. It looks like maybe in the middle of a, set of studio, somebody's practice studio, or a workshop, or sort of it has all sorts of other, it looks like all sorts of
It's not very pristine. It's not very pristine. It's not very clean. There's a lot of activity. We started working together when I was working at the Lux Center in London, you were working in Roya. We started programming a monthly series called Experience, which was a series of sound-based events in the cinema, artist cinema space, and we wanted to look at how artists are using sound. This was back in '96, so like 10 years ago. And we ran this series for maybe 3 or 4 years. And throughout the series, we invited lots of different people to take part and to present and to have concerts. It was a whole range of different ways in which people would perform there. But at some point we just happened to notice that we'd only worked with, I think, 2 women throughout the series. And we sort of started asking ourselves questions why that was. And we were wondering what it was that made that path between us being very inspired by women and having lots of female icons and people we really looked up to and very inspired by, between that and what was that gap between that and us actually ending up with a series curated by 2 women that we are men, basically. Yeah, we were working across the Lux and the Wire magazine, and they were mostly male anyway, as organizations. And I think that those kind of networks were, at the time, this is 1997,